Steve here, ShenRC, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a radio wheel grip so you could use one hand for steering. Alright, here's what I made. It goes on the radio like this with the Velcro. So you could do your one thumb steering while driving with one hand. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make this. What you need to do is get some Velcro like this, the kind that sticks on with the dual sides. You could get this at Home Depot, hardware store, or use a battery strap. If it's too wide, you could always cut it thinner like I did here. And what you need to do is you could use one of your old grips and cut it in half and save the two pieces. And what you do here is you glue it on to the Velcro. What I did here is I used a piece of like that EVA foam. Then I glued a section of my radio grips I make on here. You could use shoe glue or super glue, but when you're doing this, you want to put it on like this on an old grip or something so it's rounded. Then you glue the first piece on, you let it dry. You could use super glue or the shoe glue, and then you let it dry, then you super glue the other outer piece on however far so you could reach it. And then when that dries, you can take it off. And what's nice about this, it fits on any radio. I'll show you here. On this radio here has a super tiny wheel. You can see that. And if I wanted to use this on here, I just put it on like that. Put the Velcro on. And there you go. You have your steering. So you could steer with one finger. And it's cool because you can carry it with you if you have multiple radios. If you're going out to film, you could put it on just about anything. See this one here? Let's try it on this. And you just put it right on. Put it in the position you want for your thumb. Velcro it on. And there you have it. Works on a lot of radios. If you want, you could put more layers to make it come out further. So that's how you make the fully adjustable one-handed driving steering wheel grip mod thingamajiggy. I hope you guys like this. If you have any questions about it, let me know in a comment. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching as always. I appreciate the support. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you next time. Hope this helped you out, guys.